Good morning, students. This is your English course book, class 5. So, today we are going to start with lesson 1. Okay, before starting this lesson, look at the title of the story and the picture. Guess what the story is about? Yeah, the story is about Ali Baba and the 40 thieves. Long ago, there lived two brothers, Ali Baba and Qasim. Ali Baba was a poor woodcutter, whereas Qasim was a rich and greedy man. One day, horses, riders, they must be thieves. By this appearance, Ali Baba could say that they were thieves. He saw 40 men with sacks on their horses. Sacks means bags. Okay, these bags. He saw 40 men with sack on their horses. They stopped before a cave. Cave means a rock. Okay, so now open sesame. The leader of the thieves went near the cave and said, "Open sesame." As soon as he said these words, the big rock moved. The rock was a door to a dark cave. Okay. After some time, the men came out of the cave empty handed. Empty handed means having nothing to carry. Close sesame. Okay. As soon as he said close sesame, the magic word, the rock was closed. After the men left, Ali Baba entered the cave. He loaded his junkies with gold. Loaded means a weight to be carried. He loaded, in this picture, but you can see that he loaded his junkies, okay, with gold, bag of gold. At home, borrow scales from Qasim's wife, but don't say anything about the gold. Okay, when he come back at home, Ali Baba, he said to his wife that borrow scales from Qasim wife, from his brother's wife, okay, but don't say anything about the gold. Scales mean bache weighing scales. Okay, could I borrow your scales? Then Ali Baba said to a Qasim wife that, could I borrow your scale? This is a picture of scales. Then the Qasim's wife thought, why does Ali need scales? So she was very clever. This woman, Qasim's wife, was very clever. What should you do? I will put some glue at the bottom of the scale to find out. Then what should you do? Then she put some glue at the bottom of the scale so that she could find out why they need the scale. Qasim's wife found a gold coin stuck to the bottom of the scale after Ali Baba's wife returned it to her. Stuck means unable to move. Okay. Then what happened? Qasim's wife found a gold coin at the bottom of the scale after Ali Baba's wives returned it to her. So now next, listen. Ali's got so much gold that he had to weigh it with a scale. Then Qasim's wife said this word to Qasim that Ali Baba has so much gold that he had to weigh it with the scale. Weigh means to estimate it with the scale. Then after hearing this, Qasim was shocked. He said, really? Under pressure from Qasim, Ali Baba told him all about the thieves and the treasure. Treasure means stock of money, gold or jewels. Okay. So when he was pressuring him, then Ali Baba had to tell him the whole story about the thieves and the treasure. So then Qasim asked him, where did you find the gold? The next day, with the help of information from Ali Baba, Qasim reached the cave. Reach means to arrive at. Okay. Then Qasim arrived the cave. Then when he entered the cave, what did he see? Lot of gold. I will take all the gold. He was very excited after seeing this view, after seeing the jewels, coins, gold. He was very happy. So you all know that he was a greedy man. So he said, I will take all the gold. In his excitement, Qasim forgot the magic words to open the door of the cave. So he was very excited, Qasim, but he forgot the magic words which Ali Baba told him to open the door of the cave. The thieves found him there that night. So then thieves arrived at that place, at the cave. So what they do? They found that he was there inside the cave. Qasim was inside the cave. When his brother did not come back, Ali Baba went to the cave to look for him. Okay, Ali Baba was very tensed. Okay, he was very tense about his brother, that he's not come back yet. Ali Baba went to the cave to look for him. He saw the sacks of gold and guessed means to think, what must have happened to his brother. Then after he saw the sacks of gold, then Ali Baba guessed that his brother might be killed by the thieves. Back home, Ali Baba told Morgiana, a clever girl in Qasim's household. Qasim's household means a family including servant. Okay. Qasim's household, to spread the news that his brother had died after a brief illness. Brief means a short duration. Okay, short duration. What happened when Ali Baba came back home? He said to the Qasim's household, Morgiana, that she had to spread the news about his brother that he had died from a brief illness. Then he said to Morgiana that nobody must know the truth about his brother's death. Meanwhile, the thieves saw footprints outside the cave. Meanwhile, what happened? Then the thieves saw the footprints outside the cave. They realized that yet another person must know their secret. They set out to track him down. Track means a mark left by the foot. Okay. One of the thieves met Baba Mustafa, the cobbler. Cobbler means a person who makes and repairs shoes. Okay. One of the thief met Baba Mustafa. Mustafa gave him directions to Qasim's house. The thief marked the house with a cross so that they could come back later. In this picture, you can see that the thief marked the house with a cross so that they can come back later. To confuse the thieves, Morgiana, what did she do? Now tell me, which is Qasim's house? You know that this Morgiana, this girl, is a clever girl. Okay, so what she do? In front of all the houses, she marked the sign, cross sign. The next day, the chief himself found Qasim's house with Baba Mustafa's help. Chief, the leader of the thieves. Okay, next day what happened? The leader of the thief found out the house with the help of Baba Mustafa. Mustafa told him that Qasim's brother was Ali Baba. Then this old man Mustafa Baba told that chief that the Qasim brother was Ali Baba. Disguised means dressed in strange cloth as an oil merchant. Merchant means owner of business. Okay, the chief came to Ali Baba's house with his band. I'm traveling to Arabia. Could you please give me shelter for one night? Okay, then this clever leader, what did he do? He said that I'm traveling to Arabia. Could you please give me shelter for one night? Then Ali Baba said, yes, welcome to my house. The thieves hid inside the big jars in this picture. You can see that. Thieves inside the big jars in Ali Baba's cellar. Cellar means space used for storage or the basement. Morgiana went to the cellar for some cooking oil. Okay, she heard voices from inside the jars. Then what she heard? The voice coming from the jars. Is that you, chief? The thief said, "Is that you, chief?" But the thief doesn't know who was there at that time. It was it was Morgiana at that time, but he didn't know that there was no chief in the basement. Then he said, "Is that you, chief? Let us know when we should come out." Morgiana asked two boys to call the police. Then Morgiana knows the whole truth about all the tricks about the leader and the thieves. Then what she do? Then she asked the two boys to call the police. The police took away all the thieves and the chief with them. Ali Baba married Morgiana to his son. Okay, this is Ali Baba, his son, and Morgiana. Ali Baba married his Morgiana to his son, and everyone was happy. Lastly, what did he say? Open sesame. Okay. So the summary of this story is that Ali Baba, a poor woodcutter, was in the forest when he saw 40 thieves stop in front of the cave. The leader said, "Open sesame." Okay. And before Ali Baba, amazed eyes, the sealed mouth to the cave magically opened and the men disappeared inside. To come out and close the entrance, the leader said, "Close sesame," and the cave sealed itself once more. Trembling with excitement, Ali Baba waited till the thieves had left and then entered the cave. After saying the magic word, to his delight, he found lot of treasures. Okay, Ali Baba told his brother Qasim about the wondrous cave. Qasim set off to get on the treasure for himself too. Sadly, what happened? Sadly, he forgot the words to leave the cave, and the thieves killed him. Ali Baba then guessed that the thieves might have killed him. Okay, so with the help of a slave girl called Morgiana, he made a plan. Realizing that someone else knew about their cave and the thieves tracked all Ali Baba down, the leader disguised as an oil seller and stayed with Ali Baba. He had brought along mules. Okay, in this picture you can see mules loaded with 40 oil jars containing the other thieves. Okay, so clever Morgiana knew who the oil seller really was. Okay, then she asked two boys to call the police, and the police took away all the thieves and the chief. And at the last, Ali Baba married his son to Morgiana, and they all lived happily at the last.